is Jillian Morris from the Investing News Network, here today at PDAC 2018. I'm here with Jack McClintock, President and CEO of Northisle Copper and Gold, trading on the Toronto Venture Exchange under NCX. Thank you for joining me, Jack.
Oh, thanks for having me.
In 30 seconds, could you give us a breakdown of your company and its value proposition to investors?
Okay. Northisle Copper and Gold has a 33,000 hectare property at the north end of Vancouver Island in British Columbia. It covers an entire porphyry copper belt, and we have two known deposits, which Hushamu and Red Dog, which we recently completed a PEA in September of last year.
So what are you currently working on, Jack?
Right now, as I said, we finished our PEA, and that shows robust economics. It has a NPV8 of 550 million Canadian and an IRR of 14.3%. It'll produce 82 million pounds of copper a year and 79,000 ounces of gold over its 22-year mine life. What we're working on right now on that project is ways to improve on that. The PEA showed there was a number of ways that we could prove it, both through improving metallurgy, possibly expanding the resources at one of our deposits. So we're doing right now some engineering work, a little bit of metallurgical work on that project.
Great. So what makes your company unique?
What's unique about our project is it's probably one of the best located potential new development in the copper gold business in Western Canada. It's essentially a brownfields development. It's adjacent to the now closed Island Copper mine that was run by BHP. So we have excellent infrastructure. Our deposits are within 30 kilometers of the BC power grid and 30 kilometers of a loadout facility. So essentially we're right on the coast, and we're in an area that is used to mining. It's local community is quite supportive of it.
So do you have any upcoming catalysts on the horizon that investors should be aware of?
Yeah, the most important thing is just last week we announced an agreement with Freeport-McMoRan on one of our exploration targets. Freeport has acquired an option to earn up to 65% of our Pemberton Hills target by spending 24 million Canadian over 7 years. The first step of the work on the project will be drilling, and we hope that drilling will start late summer, early September this year. So that's the big news from our side. As well as I mentioned before, we'll be continuing to work on our own projects, probably drilling to try and expand the resources at Hushamu.
Great, well that's great news. Thank you so much for joining me this morning, Jack.
You're welcome.
This has been Jillian Morris for the Investing News Network, here today at PDAC 2018.